Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share easy and quick chicken biryani recipe. Now since the time I have known this recipe, I love to make biryani. So without any further delay, I would like to share this with you as well. So viewers, here I have taken around 400 grams of rice for 500 grams of chicken, and I had soaked it for 3 to 4 hours. In this now I have already added bay leaf, cinnamon stick, salt, and now I'm adding cumin seeds. I am also adding lemon juice to it, so it will prevent the rice from sticking to each other. Now I have kept the rice for boiling. We will not completely cook it, as you know. Biryani rice, we don't completely cook it, we partially cook it, and rest gets cooked when we keep it on dum, so it will get cooked with the chicken. Now here in this chicken, 500 grams of chicken which is washed nicely, I'm adding salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. You can add as per your taste. Now I'm adding tomato puree. So here I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Then I will be adding all whole garam masalas, that is cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black cumin seeds, star anise, black cardamom, cloves, and peppercorns. Then I'm adding here garam masala powder, in which I have taken 3 different types of garam masalas. So first is hot chicken masala, then tandoori masala. I love to add tandoori masala in all my chicken recipes, and then biryani masala, shan biryani masala I have added. I have also added soft powder so that it gives good aroma. So everything goes in. Then I'm taking bay leaf, chilies, and coriander and mint leaves, freshly cleaned and chopped and added. Okay, now I have added oil to it. This was approximately a cup of oil, and this is the same oil in which I had fried the onions. So these are the fried onions which I will be adding, and rest I will keep to spread it on the top of the biryani rice. I have already added yogurt, guys, if you can see. So I had added 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now I am adding kesar milk. So I have soaked it for about an hour, and now I'm adding it. Guys, please ignore my tea cup over there, because I was having tea while making biryani, as I am a very big tea lover. I always say, लोग कॉफ़ी पे दिल बनाते हैं, हम दिल से चाय बनाते हैं. And you will always see lanterns and candles in my videos, because I also love different types of lanterns and candles, so you will see it in most of my videos. Now we will nicely mix everything. So see, it's looking so colorful. Okay guys, so the chicken, we will keep it aside now and we will see if the rice is cooked or no. So the rice is done guys, partially cooked. Now we will take the marinated chicken and add into this utensil. We will spread it at the surface of the vessel. Now I will spread the rice on top of this marinated chicken. Okay, so rice is also gone. Now I will spread the rest of the kesar milk which I had kept. So I will spread it all over the rice. Then I have taken food color which I had added into rose water, and that I will spread on one part of the rice. Now I will spread onions. After this guys, if you want you can skip this part, but I love to do this because I love the charcoal taste which you get in biryani. So this is a burnt charcoal. I will also spread ghee on the biryani rice for a nice aroma, and then I will put it on the charcoal as well for the smoke to come out. And now I will quickly cover it with the foil. Yes, now I'll put the lid on and I will let this cook on high flame for 5 minutes. I will preheat the tawa first and then I will put this vessel on the tawa where I will cook this on high flame for 5 minutes and then medium low flame for 30-35 minutes. So here it is getting cooked. Now guys, I had prepared salad in which I have used tomato, onion, yogurt and coriander and added salt to it. So this is our all-time favorite biryani salad. So guys, my biryani is done. So this is how it looks guys. I hope you liked my recipe. Do try this recipe. It turned out to be really good, and here I will show you that the chicken is very nicely cooked. I had actually removed some part of the biryani in that tiffin for one of my family member. Okay, see, the chicken is nicely cooked, guys. So please do try this recipe and let me know if you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. As I say, your support is much required.